Ken from Alliance with a sweet message. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about our new series of machine. It's our F series. So this particular piece of machine, I have to warn you, this is a warning for those of you that don't let your maintenance people see this if you have existing washers, because they're going to really love this and they're going to want you to buy a new machine. So the F series has our full access removable canopies. We can offer these in both stainless steel and or fiberglass. This version happens to be stainless. We're going to show you how we can simply remove these canopies for access into the interior of the machine. Now that we've removed the canopies, you can see we have complete access into the interior of the entire machine. So with the F series, we have our full access pull-out sprays. So you can actually pull the sprays out and get access at your nozzles really easily on both the top and bottom. We also, a new feature that we have with this series is our pull-out curtains. This is a very unique thing. So these curtains over time can get damaged, they can wear out, they are replaceable items, so we have a thing we can slip them right in and out, very easily, fast, super simple. Moving down the machine, again, pull out sprays on the rinse zone. And then as we get into the blow off, now we have our riveted air knife design. These air knives actually can be, you can change your elevation, or not only your elevation, you can change the angle of the knife. We have indicators on here so you can mark exactly what angle you're running. And it's just another one of the really great features. These air knives actually can be disassembled for cleaning, so just one of the many great features. So the F series, it's a really great new series that we're doing, super maintenance friendly, so don't show your maintenance people. Have a sweet day.